The instructions here are to factor each trinomial. So we got 80x squared minus 24x plus 1. Now our first method is GCF. These don't have anything in common. Next one's grouping, but that's 4 more terms. This is only 3 terms. PST is close, except for there's a number in front of the x squared. This is actually a key number. Key number is when you have x squared, x, no x, and there's a number in front of your x squared. With the key number, we take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, so 80 times 1, ignoring signs. So if that was a negative 1, we'd still just go with 1. Now we're going to write down all the products give us 80. We got 1 times 80, 2 times 40, 4 times 20, 5 times something, 16? Yeah. 6 no, 7 no, 8 times 10. The S column, we're going to add together these numbers. 1 plus 80 is 81. 2 plus 40 is 42. 4 plus 20 is 24. 5 plus 16 is 21. 8 plus 10 is 18. In difference column, we'll subtract smaller from larger. 80 minus 1 is 79. 40 minus 2 is 38. 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. 10 minus 8 is 2. And the number we're looking for is a number in a middle term, which is 24, which is right here, which means we use 4 and 20. And we're going to rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. The larger number in the P column that we're using, which is a 20, is always going to be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem is negative. So we've got negative 20x. The number we circled is in the S column, S for same signs, so if the 20 is negative, then the 4 is negative. Then we want to factor by grouping. Group the first 2 terms together, group the last 2 terms together. First 2 terms have a 20 and an x in common, GCF. So I factor out a 20x, and that gives us 4x minus 1. Second group has nothing in common, but my first term's negative. Remember with GCF, if your first term's negative, you always bring a negative out. And then that leaves us 4x minus 1. Now our goal was to get this parentheses the same as this one, which they are. So I'll factor out the 4x minus 1 out in front. Now to see what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can cross out these 4x minus 1s. And then this would be 20x minus 1. And that'd be your answer. 4x minus 1 times 20x minus 1.